How to find your blocked contacts in WhatsApp. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can find your blocked contacts in WhatsApp and how you can actually unblock them. Okay, straight into it. First, open up WhatsApp. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings. Next, click on Accounts. And then click on Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the blocked contacts. Click on that. And here you can see a list of my blocked contacts. If for some reason I wanted to unblock one of these contacts, I'll tap on their number and then it comes up with an unblock message, and then I just click on that and that number has now been unblocked. And that's all it takes to find your blocked contacts in WhatsApp and unblock them. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.